These are the elevators at the West Las Vegas Tower at the Mandalay Bay. See if I can get any higher. It is like a 40-story hotel. Up, going up. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome.
See you guys in a minute.
Oh shoot! Almost.
I can't carry your guys' back with me. Thank you.
Thanks. Wait, where are we going?
60.
Bro. We know, boy.
We're sketching for a while. Because I don't think they're ready.
The jellyfish.
I want to eat them. They look good. You're telling me no.
Just goes from 30 to 60. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Send you off. Nope. Closing on my face. It's really dark up here. Try to see if we get a different one. I am a guest at this hotel, but because they smart key carded this place, you can only ride up to 18 on the lower set. Otis Series 4, 2, whatever you want to call it. Luxury. Girlfriend. Oh no, this is a different one. I think I got off that one. Yeah, see, I can scan this, but nothing will work, so. Stopping somewhere. Down?
Yeah.
Lobby?
Yep.
Yeah.
Please do not timing over there. Get there maybe close to where we can get like lunch. Something to do.
Could be lunch or something.
Yeah.
I like these bar buttons. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very odd setup. Yeah. Yeah. Nice elevator system. Alright, that's it.